So this is the end of the product. It is going to be 3D printed, and it is going to look pretty sweet. That is the single file. I'm going to take it. Hold on, 2 seconds. That is exactly what it's going to look like as a profile. So this will be 3D printed right here, and it'll be in these sections that will be able to, at least at this angle, if you make one of these and then you put 24 of these all together, you'll have an entire circle that'll meet back to where it was. And so this is a really smart way to, like, you know, be able to print something you can't necessarily print in your printer because it's pretty big. So this is kind of what it looks like. All right, and so here we go. I'm just kind of showing you that. Here we got this edge that is going to be changed, but that's just the cover for the outside. So there's going to be one in front, one in the back. Kind of in the back, you get. I'm going to look up the back view. I'm going to go to the top, search for there. Right, here we go. But yeah, you'll be able to see exactly. So you'll go into this cavity. Right. And then what's pretty sweet about that is that there it is. It's hard to tape and do this at the same time. So I know I kind of see what's going on here. It's kind of, but yeah, these are covers, and the cover is going to look sweet once the thing is done. But yeah, this is what you're going to see in the front, and you're going to see a bunch of. I'm going to make this organic looking, beautiful pattern, and it's going to be cut out, and it's going to be amazing. So we'll see. Just an idea.